Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm already done up, right? But today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this style. This is the miracle knots without the knots. I went ahead and I did this style and I combed through the hair. As you can see, it's already moisturized and stuff without knots, and the hair is in my head. So this week I'm sponsoring with Elfin Hair to show you guys how you too can achieve this look with their crochet hair.
So this is the package that we got today, and inside the package we have a wig cap, an instruction manual, so if you don't know what to do you can read that, a bonnet, the crochet needle, an edge brush, and of course the hair that we'll be using today. So we got 2 rings, and on each ring you have 5 rings. Guys, this is more than enough for a full head. This is 22 inches in Burmese, curly, and the ear soft. It's so soft, so excited. So let's get right into it.
So if you're someone like me that has a go-to style of a low ponytail every day, you don't really know how to style your hair, you're very lost, and you want a go-to style that's gonna last you for a while, we're gonna get into it. Not only am I gonna show you how to crochet the hair into your hair, I'm also gonna show you how to braid. If you don't know how to braid, not like with braiding hair, but just a regular braid with your hair, I'm also going to be showing you how to do that step by step, starting right now.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is part the hair, and guys, please don't judge my parts. Okay, I'm doing this myself. After you've parted the hair, you're gonna separate that section into 3 pieces, 3 equal pieces. 1, 2, and 3. After you've done that, you're just gonna start overlapping them as tight as you possibly can. So you're gonna take each piece and go 1 over, then 1 under, and you're just gonna continue that pattern until you reach a flow state, and you would have realized that you are creating a braid. So it's 1 over, 1 under until you've gotten the drift of it. You just continue going down, 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 and that's how you make a braid. Quick, simple, easy. I know some of you might not get the drift of it, but once you practice it, once you continue practicing it, I'm sure you'll be able to make a braid. So as I said, you're just gonna continue this over and over and over again until you've reached flow state, and by the time you look, you'll realize that you have finished your whole entire head. Now is the time for the fun stuff. So we're gonna first remove our hair from the crochet ring, and we're gonna grab our crochet needle, ensure that it's open. You're gonna push that through your braid and ensure that it's still open. Once you've brought it through, you're gonna latch your hair onto the crochet needle, close it, pull through one side of the crochet here. Remember, we're doing this without knots. So once you've pulled through one end of the crochet here, you're gonna bring it over to rejoin it to the other side, and you're gonna go ahead and push the needle through the braid again, just a little below where you initially pushed it through, and you're going to latch the crochet here into the needle once again, close the needle, and bring it back through the braid. This is what's gonna secure it in the hair. Ensure that when you're brushing the hair, it doesn't snag and it doesn't fall out. You'll see that it's sturdy. Again, you're just going to repeat that process over and over all throughout your hair until you have the desired look, or until your hair is completely finished, and then you would have successfully done the miracle knots without knots. So this is a closer look for you guys in case you didn't catch it the first time. You're gonna push your crochet needle through, ensure that the hook is open. You're gonna put that crochet hair onto it, close the latch, and only pull through one side of the hair. After you've pulled through that one side, you're gonna rejoin both pieces, push the needle through the braid again, and latch it in the needle again, close the needle and pull it through, and that is how you secure the hair. Bada bing, bada boom.
Alright, so this is how it's looking right after I finished installing the hair. As you guys saw, I got 2 rings and I pretty much used all of the hair. And my hair is pretty long, as you guys can see. One plait is like all the way, you know, down here. So there are a lot of pieces that I had to use 4 to 6 pieces on, well no, 6 to 8 pieces on because my hair is so long and I really wanted the full look, and I was still able to achieve it with the 2 rings. So I feel like you can definitely go ahead and get the 2 rings if you want to try this style, but beware, it is time consuming, so set aside some time if you're gonna try this. Well, at least for me, because my hair is longer. So you guys know when I do curly hair, I love it real juicy and wet. So I'm going to go ahead and add some water to this now to get it really nice and juicy. So this is how the wet side is looking versus the dry side. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same to this side and come back to you guys. And this is the finished look. You see how long this is? It's definitely giving inches, even though it is 22 inches. Well, it is 22 inches, but it's giving 35. If you guys, we're here, right? We're here. So this is how it's looking. I am obsessed. As someone who is always struggling to find a go-to style, you know, I get very bored with my natural hair, but I also don't love wigs. I don't know, I have too much hair on my head to wear wigs for a prolonged period. So something like this is perfect for me. I feel that this is definitely going to be my new go-to style, and the hair is absolutely amazing. It's so soft and it's so easy to work with. Even though there are braids in between, it doesn't snag on it, and it's not tangling. It's very easy to comb through, very easy to moisturize. So I am definitely obsessed with this, and the hair is just kiss. Elfin did their big one on this one. If you guys are interested in getting this crochet hair to do miracle knots on yourself, you can go ahead and check my description box for a discount code and the direct link to their site to go ahead and check this out. 10 out of, listen, 20 out of 10 at this point. I just want to big up Elfin Hair. Shout out to Elfin Hair for these quality miracle knot crochet hair. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know if you would be trying this style or you would go to your hairstylist to have them do this for you. So yeah, that's it for this week's video. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.